Can artificial intelligence really replace humans 100%? This question echoes through our modern world. It is whispered with a mix of fear and excitement. People imagine futures where machines do everything. They also imagine futures of great human progress. The question is a big one. The answer, however, is not a simple yes or no. To find the truth, we must look at the facts calmly. We must clear away the common myths that cloud our judgment. We will explore what is possible, what is probable, and what is science fiction. A calm, myth-busting approach will guide us. So, let us begin this journey together, with clarity and care. The most persistent myth is that of total replacement, that AI will take every job and perform every role. It suggests a future where humans have no purpose. This vision is deeply flawed. AI excels at repetitive tasks. AI excels at data-driven tasks. AI excels at clear rules and patterns. It processes information at superhuman scale and speed. In specific applications, it is incredibly valuable. AI is not one all-knowing brain. It is a set of specialized tools. Great at chess does not mean it can comfort a child. Great at fraud detection does not mean it understands poetry. Empathy, trust, and social nuance are human at the core. To see where AI shines, look at patterns in massive data. Pattern recognition at scale is its superpower. Humans tire and hold biases. AI analyzes millions of data points without fatigue. It finds subtle patterns in medical records. It flags unusual financial behavior in real time. It extracts signals from complex weather data. Humans investigate and make final calls. In logistics, AI optimizes inventory across vast networks. Efficiency rises, costs drop, waste declines. As a research assistant, it accelerates discovery. AI handles tedious analysis. Scientists craft hypotheses, design experiments, and interpret outcomes. Our strengths are not easily reduced to algorithms, creativity, and original thought. We connect disparate ideas to imagine new futures, emotional intelligence and empathy. Care is more than a procedure, it is presence. Teaching adapts moment to moment, human to human. Let us ground this in healthcare. AI is not replacing your family physician. The reality is collaboration. AI sees what the human eye might miss, trained on millions of scans to spot early disease. It screens. The human makes the diagnosis. Speed and accuracy improve together. AI suggests treatments tailored to the individual, but choices reflect values and preferences. A machine cannot hold a patient's hand. Trust is built through empathy and humanity. Let technology do the mechanical work so people can do the human work. Art is a fascinating frontier for AI. Models now generate images, music, and text in seconds. Type a prompt, receive something compelling. Many fear for the role of the human artist. AI recombines and mimics style at scale. Human art communicates intent and emotion. It comes from lived experience. A model has no life story, grief, or wonder. We connect because we see ourselves in the work. Machine art can be beautiful yet lack lived meaning. The future is collaboration, not competition. AI is a new instrument. The human provides the vision and the heart. The fear of job loss is real and understandable. Technology displaces some roles but creates others. New industries emerged: developers, IT, digital marketing, AI trainers, ethicists, and prompt engineers are rising. Human-in-the-loop roles put people at the center. Focus on critical thinking, creativity, and communication. AGI remains hypothetical and distant. Strong guardrails must guide powerful AI. We need oversight, explainability, and accountability. Some decisions are moral and must stay human. The future is something we actively shape. Integrate AI wisely and ethically into society. No, AI will not replace humans 100%, certainly not now, nor in the foreseeable future. AI reshapes tasks but does not replace creativity. It does not replace compassion. It does not replace critical judgment. Commit to lifelong learning and AI literacy. Practice creativity, communication, and collaboration. Educate, retrain, and build social safety nets. Support clear, sensible AI regulations. Use AI to solve big challenges, health and sustainability. Technology reflects our values. The choice is ours. Machines can do more, so together, we can achieve more. Let's get to work.